guys, this is Otoshebo Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook on Otoshebo Mama page. You can also see me on Otoshebo Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Pains me in my heart, in the innermost part of my heart most. Let me play this audio. Before I continue.
When some time ago, if you come talk something, come here. Me too, I call into that place. Why? Because I called on that EVA program that day because there was really a loss of things that were not going well. Because of the situations of things that time, so that matter can't come about when EVA can't tell us. They talk, they say Omofuma sleep with his daughter, which is the daughter of this woman, his wife. All right, his wife. Now, let's say that woman and this Omofuma wife, they not be saying she don't really get children with her, but there's this daughter when it be say Omofuma and I take care of the child right from childhood. Okay, so it just be like his own daughter, and they responsible for everything there. Then with Omofuma's son, two where them they together there now. Omofuma one son. Then there's this daughter when I talk about. So because of the lot of situations and the things that were not really going on well that period, a lot of saga can't be and Omofuma too instead use some certain words for all of us and all that. Now me I believe say make EVA constantly talk that one that time say and Omofuma they sleep with this his daughter I'm talking about.
Let me pause there. Give Mama Mila Kim, I commend your intelligence. I commend everything you do for this audio, what you do. But there was a clause. I not come beg. I only demand. Say it's a thing that got to be done. I not beg. I see Mama Joy gonna analyze my person this morning. I see Jesse William last night. They analyzed my person. That's why I put all of them together for here. That's why I put them together for here. But I not fault you. It is maybe you can be mistaken or misunderstood out of context because these are our people. They not to go school. They not go school. If I may use that word, not to go school. Beg, I not beg. I demanded for this thing to be readdressed for the fact, say, the person where I even think say will come talk him. Not that last till this war will end. And I can't talk him. That was what prompted me out to say, this thing I saw Mama Mila Kim even call for that program then. So let me get in touch with her to even hit her because this thing don't happen for more than a year plus, not 2 years, according to Mumu Joy. Mumu Joy, will call me he goat. Mumu Joy, I will hit you like never before. I will hit you. Saga, I know you fear Saga. If you want to hit me with Saga, hit me with truth. But if you come to that, your stupid, your page where you say, don't take my video today because of my case, you can't make all bloggers take your videos. I will hit you back to back. I know you fear nobody on this Edo cyberspace. Nobody. Read my lips. Nobody watch for me to fear for this Edo cyberspace. Because all of them what will I be? Zombie when I want with Ajiro. Una be no rich. No feel rich. No feel rich till eternity. Don't ever come to this cyberspace. Call your father, your generation yet of born. He goat. Mumu Joy. Mumu Joy, I never come to you. Let me play this audio, please. Because if you want to analyze issues, analyze them better. Not they come, they hide your dirty skeletons. You want to take me to shine? Because I called Mila Kim because I see this to say he don't do they come up because this is no truth. I be a man in our part of where we come, no incest. We are men of honor. We don't do it. If now people they do it, if you now don't, if you want to go beat Senegal for whatever, it's not in our tradition. We don't do it. People will die the next second. We don't do it. We have a tradition in our land. We don't do that kind of shit. When they talk, now they lie up and down. The lie gets limits. I thought this was a fluke. It will soon go, but I never knew that Frank Victor will bring it up. That is why I'm so pissed off. The swear I will give, Frank Victor will be there. Frank Victor will be there. As he talk for a platform, which I don't cut that part keep. I don't cut that keep. This love a Pandedian will be there. If you remember, now the first, I will swear the biggest swear nobody have seen in this cyberspace. Share this thing. Me and you share. If you like, tag Mama Mumu Joy. Tag Mumu Joy. Tag her. Put together, tag everybody taggable. I'm ready for war like never before. If Frank Victor talk that idiotic word, then his platform is dead. It's not a truthful platform. That platform is based on lies. I'm not a pushover. I look all of them, they make a mescafon. It's only Jesse Wheeler I saw yesterday. When she talked, she never insulted me. She respected me, which I will not even insult her. But I tag her here to tell her, say, I see her picture. I see her video. They brought it to my notice. People, they bring people video to my notice. This morning, now person wake me up. See what Mama Joy, they talk about you. They bring her to me. Momo Joy, who call her Mama Joy? Wait, call me he goat. She be she goat. She goat, double she goat. It was you that wouldn't even come on those cyberspace to defend yourself. You say, if they say you married two husbands, you are good. That you are the next sexy thing, the most sexy toy in town. You can marry two husbands. That's why I hate you. Everything I've been doing to you is based on truth. I never lied on your head. But anybody will lie on my head for those cyberspace. I know the actuary. What did the jail boy for 3 years, 4 years, enough to defend himself. The one who will speak to this cyberspace, on Ocean, now Boza, Yoruba land, Kenya, Ghana, India, on Ocean for those cyberspace. I'm not fetish, but I'm going to hit all of them accordingly. As I'm saying, I'll be liars.
Now, as I see view for line that they are still calling side, I can't say, really, una no answer that they be now. I can't say, oh, so really this thing be like this. So we can't talk there. But meanwhile, after that period and all that, me I know, as I Omofuma, the saga even last reach as we quarrel reach, I know use them one day on that because I just don't think and say because there was that misunderstanding amongst all of us that time because of waiting and Omofuma still they tell us nine maybe make a V talk that kind of thing. I saw me at take and but according to him yesterday, he said people still do use them against and even up to Frank Victor say such things no happen. Alright, now he come back me yesterday, make I come out, I don't come fit. I know if he come out there yesterday.
Word of correction. Mama Mila Kim, with all due respect, I respect you. I never begged. I asked that this thing must be corrected. Not begging. I didn't beg because all these things are lies. I only give a pronouncement, say, do one because it's just the needful thing to be done. I never begged. I refused to beg when I say this thing a lie. How can I beg? I didn't beg. I only asked that you should correct societies based on the fact that there's some certain reconciliation between us. That's why I say, do one to clear this thing. Because I see you as an intelligent person, because in as much as I've gotten some differences with you in the past, I still see you when I listen to your compilation of the command of the English language. I still say, after Lolo, for this I do cyberspace, make I give some points here. After Lolo, I will look. If I look around, I will look around and not see nobody. Now I can't look at you. I can't, even though you not show your face, because I'm a very intelligent person. I see your words from your spoken English inside the dark. I see say inside that dark, this woman gets some good commands. She gets some things. There's a pinpoint where she dey pinpoint where they make facts. No matter what, there's room to quarrel. There's room to disagree and agree, but not to decide, not to agree on the basis of cowardice. I didn't agree on the basis of cowardice. I'm too smart, too good for that kind of bullshit where this idiotic Mumu Joy, Mumu Mama Joy, one can bring out, say the analyzed video. Because they call me he goat. Mumu Mama Joy. When I warn you, say don't do that patient. You just had a joke. You thought I was joking. But do you see if you do patient? If you didn't do patient, if you do everything open, because with understanding. If this way call you, don't do that patient. You refuse. You say you be a dunga. You say you want to be a dunga. You cannot rubbish my child name when my child not involved in these issues. My child, everything when I put for my child head. Now I swear I will swear for my head. All of them are put together. All of them. If Edo, you know the work, I will take them and go Kenya, take them and go Ghana, Senegal. I will take them and go South Africa. All of them put together. Let me name it before let me name people I was swear for. Seriously. Frank Bito, Pan Lovett, Ivie Pandediam Lovett, Ivie Robber, Pit Toilet, number 1. Anybody, for instance, those cyberspace, who come on air, say Papa Fokker, their name go to top. That's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm going to do. I know we feel wait again. I don't to wait. I don't wait again. I don't to wait. My wife was so angry this morning. She wanted to come on air, make her shut up and I tell my wife, say, Chi, the nourish, you could that. I'm not going to let you come social media because of this idiot. This idiot, nincompoos, inexperienced, uneducated fools on those cyberspace. Fucking uneducated fools. You cannot bring my wife into cyberspace, cyber whatever. Now me the Chester, pit toilet. If not, they say small thing, but I think I need to swear for you because now you be the proponent, the mastermind of this whole thing. But anybody collaborator with you will collect water. I never expected Frank. We say be man wine go call talker. Now that I paranoid. That was what prompted me to say, Mila, this thing, I thought it was a joke. And this is not a joke, eh? Frank is talking again. Frank, that used to be my friend, even though I have differences with him. You know, but people talk truth. Now lie, what they beat me? Now lie, what they beat me? No, beat me with truth. I'll be here to chest it. Beat me with truth any day, Frank, Victor. Chest me, beat me with truth. Go and Google. You say be Google master. Beat me with truth, but not with lies. Not with lies. Seriously. You fall your hand, 247 for your day. To come beat me. The thing where you defend. Now you, they call me that time when they say, I could say, Omofuma, Chi, don't worry. We're going to face this thing. We're going to tackle this thing. That's a lie. Peter don't finish. If you put it for you, you get a pussy. I don't want to see a pussy. Now disaster. To see a pussy, now the person spirit, the person future don't die. Anybody will look Peter pussy for camera, that one is dead on arrival. I beat that woman with truth. Now she come on those cyberspace with all her dirty stories. I beat her with just the plain truth. Okeke, Obazui, and so many. It was based on her story. She's just so incompetent. A honorable man like me, a vibrant man like me, that could even have that original thing inside me to train Pikin. My daughter. Don't just let us not even go there. She's my daughter. Let me not put stigma to her name. She's my daughter. I train her. Not my own biological daughter. I give her everything to grow. If you see that girl today, I don't think say no funa for this social media feel reach that girl leg where she put for ground today. Never. No feel reach. Never. As a great father from Mr. Land, what I impute to that girl head, she's strong, vibrant, doing things perfectly well. Then I will say, hey, men not good, men not good. I marry a woman wey not born for me. I train Pikin, where Pikin come grow. Stop now to give me kudos, not come blackmail me. Make men not even say if woman get Pikin before you not marry her. Is that what people are propelling? Is that the next story when they tell you what? You can marry a woman if you choose to. You can marry. It all depends on your psyche, how you strong upstairs reach to absorb, how your willpower reach. It's not about this your stupid mentality. How many Benin men fit train on that map Pikin for this Europe we did today? How many Benin men fit one? Instead they go burn, they go run liver, they go jump on junction to junction, Shentro. I refuse to be Shentro. Is this what you want to crucify me about? Because I refuse to be Shentro? I train a beautiful girl to grow. I give her knowledge. She's a good daughter to the world today. No one crucify me for my goodness. Then idiotic Mumu Joy say, my wife never born for me. How many years? How can you, now you go determine how I will live my life? Dan, she goat, Mumu Mama Joy. Can you determine my life for me? It's my life. If my wife not born for me, I can't quite come to say my wife not born for me. I have a son, I have a daughter, who not even get, see they live. Talk of me where I get 2 vibrant children. My son is a bloody millionaire for crying out loud. My son, that millionaire, my daughter, equally gets to that level. What is wrong with you people? With your low mentality? What is fucking wrong with you people? Because of us, all of us, social media, we dey talk. Person no one know him mate again. Person no one know him mate again. God have mercy. You can't. They put a effect. You want to talk to me? Come with your clean face. Don't talk to me with effect. I will wash you to eternity. One thing is obvious. Whatever that they talk, people like they talk. It's not in my character, not in my nature. It has never happened. Never can it happen. I'm too smart, too sound. I'm too good for that devilish, diabolical thing. When they think on my head. Human traffickers. Late human traffickers. Those human traffickers. Those devilish ideas on my head. I was never a product of human trafficking. I was never a product of those devilish thinking. They empower people's life. From my city, go and do your research. I was a man that came to Europe. When I come Europe, early, when people they do charity, I will look there for street, I will give a 50-50 card. 50-50 euro. I just come out. Sometimes you know, why are you begging? 50-50, take one chop. If you want to drink beer, I will buy you beer. I will feed the person that day. That's my precedent. That's my antecedents. That is my antecedents. I'm not a weakling like you idiots on this cyberspace. I'm not that kind of people that you people are. I'm different on a tradition. Look on a life, big life on a head. But for me, I will not take that from nobody. I just chill. I think say maybe it will soon go. It will soon go. Maybe let me just scrape the dodges of pit toilet. One day if I start for Nigeria, I will just break that. Say sit down here. You know the lie you life on my head. But as it is, and the whole lot, but now I give pit toilet 7 days from today. 7 days today. Read my lips. 7 days from today. You got to debunk that your stupid life on my head. If you not do it, I will give you the best of the best swear where those cyber never see before. I'm going to give it to you. And Frank Victor, 7 days from today, if you not do it, I'm going to give it to you, I swear. Pound the yam, love it. 7 days from today, I wrap you, I close you, 3 of you, pound the yam, love it. Frank Victor and Pig Toilet, 3 of you, 7 days from today. If you not do that, that come out, come debunk on lies. This June I will see, no good, no good. And this one will kill now immediately. This one I will kill now immediately. Seriously. Not those one, those fake concepts they swear. This one is going to kill you immediately. I'm from a great family from Mesa land. All my sisters are waiting. All my family they wait. Say, and they beg, they say, make them cool down, make them cool down, make them relax, make them relax. It's not time yet. But as it is now, I will give them the green light. Say, go ahead. May they go to the essence of Africa. May they go sweat on our head. I am not a product of dirty family. I come from good home. I get name to maintain. I get reputation to maintain. Not before these psychophant families waiting for social media for helpful every new crannies. I'm not actuary. Never. I'm not Ambrose. When the chiefs come to that, if they need for me to fight, I will fight it and come to this cyber society. This life is past. It's welcome. This life don't pass the welcome. I don't do take that for so long. I'm not great again. I want to sweep everybody accordingly.
Okay, so since I want to talk this morning, I want to use this opportunity to beg everybody. Every one of us know how saga they be here.
Akim, not beg anybody again. Don't beg. I never told you to beg anybody. Don't beg anybody. Let them come up with it. I'm going to give them how they want that. Nobody. I come to go beg. I let the man say, this mistake needs to be corrected. That's what I did. Now what I do? This mistake needs to be corrected. Not to beg. I never beg. I refuse to beg. Who want to tell lies, you go see the repercussion of lies. Everything gets sanctions. Lies get sanctions. So it is just past it. I just look and say, I'm not be fetish, man. No matter what, I'm not fetish. Make I see the talk time for Facebook, small, we could see I go. But if any idiot comes see the facade on that, what the one with penny pass, the idiotic man Frank Victor, idiotic boy. And that one now wake me up and they say, this thing never end. I say no. I want to use Frank Victor as a litmus test. As he said, now baby, social media king saga. He got to get her water this time around from his table of Omofuma. He go no say, yeah, Omofuma not be mate. Never. Me and you not be mate from Victor. I not be your mate. I not be your mate till this war will end. See if they do saga. Then they do that your stupid saga. I not get business with that your saga. They find adulterous women, they go. Just let adulterous women be your business. You never get document. Make adulterous women. They just give you work. Adulterous women. Carry for head. Make you hold adulterous women every day. Based answer as adulterous. It's your problem, not my problem. I don't build my life already. I don't build my life already. My life is good. I have a son, a millionaire. I have a great daughter, a first-class student in one of the best universities in Europe today. How many are you to be mate? Never mind for us. Mumujo, I thought they thought my wife not born for me. Is it by force? If I decide, say, these two don't do for me today, my wife is good to me, she's loyal to me, what the fuck do I need bastard, idiotic children, born like pigs, where they commit havoc to the society, See the one they bring out now, your own, Mumu she-goat. See the one they bring come out, where if you're a real big come out. Now those kind of children you're proud of. I refuse to born that kind of children. I refuse. If the other kind of children want to be proud of, I refuse. If I born two good ones, one, we're good, one is better than some 200 idiots. Look, I'll give you what small. The mad, I be your mate. Down, joy. No address me, never address me with some respect, some good respect. We're going to talk to me. He goat will better pass you. He goat, wait, my family now, European citizens, all full together. No one be Nigerians, dual citizenship. To all my family, dual citizenship. May the word of God strike you dead. Won't die, mama, joy. When they do filter, why don't you put your face like I put my face for you? Come, I not put filter. Now my face with this. Sir, now my face with this. When they put filter for your face, because they wear masquerade, they wear mask for your videos. If you want to talk to me with respect. Just will talk to me with respect. Which I feel. Just will not they come insult. You know, insult me. She passed her message across. I listen to her. I said, just will you should try. But you come on air, come call your papa, he goat, your mama, he goat, your hulala, he goat. Now be he goat. May he goat kill you. Die. To say because if I call me like him, am I afraid to do it? I call her to say, correct this thing. Because they say I be coward. I not be coward because I see me like him say she did intelligent pass you. That's why I say let me use diplomacy to tackle this thing first. If diplomacy not work, then we'll go to ruggedity. He that makes peace who that make peace not to work, what the person wants? Violence is inevitable. That's violence will come later. I come start with peace, like the sound-minded human being that I am. I started with peace, say, Mila Kim, you see this thing? I never ever thought in my wildest imagination I'll call Mila Kim. Not because they carry my video, no. I'm like me, my videos are free. I never say, don't carry my video. No time they come on air, because say nobody should carry my video. My video there for different blog. That's what I want. Make it go. I not come here to find money. Now you they hungry. Now you they find money. Don't carry my video. Don't carry my video. But today, the video you said come with me, you say help bloggers to take your video. Why did you do that? Because you still say you don't fail. You failed. You failed woefully. Who you be when nobody will carry your video? When they analyze your video every second, every minute. I go beat you to eternity. Don't try the pepper tongue of Omofuma. Don't even go there. I go beat you to eternity. I'm too well endowed, more than you, 1 billion times. You can't carry your local philosophy, come suppress my superior knowledge. It's not go possible. It's not going to be like the way the index chairman take robots for this hour vote. It's not go possible. I go beat you. I get mad too. I get mad. Well, I get mad. For myself, I get mad. I know say I get mad. If I choose not to talk, I will say, I know say I will talk. I will talk if I want to talk. This page is a political page. This page was restricted to politics. What a fact of Basaki. We've been trying to revive it, will not get hit. So, not to say viewers, my voice, they go worldwide. My voice, they move. My message, they pass across the world. If I talk to if I one person there, before I know the next morning, you will do for different blog. Every day they stop, and the one says so, and the one says so, and the one says so. That's so it be. So, shut up your mouth and not be your mate. Till eternity. Now you define viewers on your page. Don't carry my video. You want issues. This is here. You talk to Dangote overnight. Sorry, go and work. We don't work. Me, I don't work. My wife don't work. We are good to go. Very good to go. Very good to go. Seriously. Very good to go. We now 3 hours job. We have where you can take off. Talk, don't carry my video, don't carry my video. Let the video go. I've been bloody fucking millionaire already. I've been millionaire for the past 10 years. Who they buy you? I'll be your mate. Won't die. I drink what I do. You hear the smell. You hear the smell. You hear the smell. You say you hear the smell. That. Mumu drivers, if I hold you for a target, I will finish you. I know they like a person head. Now you talk about your mouth, say, if they say you get 2 husbands, it's a thing of joy to you. So what else do you want me to say? Maybe I have to say thank you for having two husbands. I'm not come to lie your head. Now, based on what you talk, now they give you. I tell you, say that your patient is not supposed to be. You just gather momentum. Good. You don't get evidence. You dey rake, you dey sharp. If this way called you, say no. You know the underground work where people do before if you ever not do patient for your head, or give out to free patient to the world. You will talk to you. You not here. You want to do patient. The patient where they trick you say money can they do. Then you can't do. You say man cannot talk put. Where they cry say one not talk put for if you a real patient. You say yes I can't answer you. You hear say me I can't answer you for public domain. We are walking on that ground. Say if you cool down, relax. If you're a blood free to air patient. If you get anything to talk about if you're real, not to be patient talk am. I tell you, say, do it for public domain. No patient, not to patient, because you were against this so fucking patient. That was my beef with you. You like, oh, hog transformer. Do I care about you? Can you stop me not to be who I am already? You know if you stop me to be who I don't already be, not to talk what I will be tomorrow or next tomorrow. So shut up your fucking mouth and go and hide the shame. Your patient went wrong. 2 people watching your patient. If I may remind you, 2 people watching your patient. If you want to make I go beat you, I will beat you. Again, I will beat you. Since you don't respect your mama, I will beat you. Plus your mama will die, I will beat you. Your mama die. You don't respect your mama will die. You say you want saga. This is the time I will wake your case again. Since you call my name today, you want to insult me. Say your papa na he goat, your mama na he goat, your mama will die na she goat. I will insult you again. Double. Come life on my head, I will swear for you. The lot of go punish you double times. Who they fear idiot like you? Are you stupid? Are you crazy? Damn. Idiot. It didn't damn. It didn't wish. It didn't saga. Don't you know the fear of Andromeda is the beginning of wisdom? Something wrong with you. Just cheese me, I leave you. You just come out. You want to talk, he goat. You don't even respect me. Call your papa he goat. Your mama he goat. Your husband he goat. Me will be tied with long times. I'm going to sweep all of them. All of them put together. I've given a pronouncement. Anybody will talk that thing again. Now swear you get 7 days. Picture not redeem your name. Pan Victor, not redeem your name. Pan Lovett, you're nobody. You're nobody. You're inconsequential. That's my pronouncement. You're not rich. You're not feel rich. So I give you pronouncement. 7 days time. No, so now get for this so cyberspace. We will be tied all of them now.